In this video, I will show you how to upload, trim, and export videos in DaVinci Resolve. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, you need to import your videos into DaVinci. If you are using a Mac, simply press Command I. You can then go and find the video or videos that you need to upload. If you are not using a Mac, you can go into the top left box, right click and scroll down to import media. Once your media has been imported, you want to drag it down into your timeline. You will then see your video. If you need to trim it, you can simply select it and scroll to the end and click and you can trim it. If you need to make a cut anywhere in your video, simply press Command B and you have now made a cut in your video. When you are ready to export your video, there are two options. You can quick export by going to the top right, and the first icon is quick export. You can click that and you have a number of different render settings. If this is for YouTube, simply select YouTube and export. If you want more options and settings, in the bottom column, scroll to the right until you see a rocket that says deliver. Click it and then you can name your file, choose the location. Do you just want to export video, audio, or file? You can choose the format, the codec, the resolution, and a number of different options. Once you have selected all of that, you will add to render queue, save it, and then in the right, you will select render all and your video will start exporting. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.